Did you know that the City of Angels, Los Angeles, is not just about Hollywood beaches and traffic jams? It's also a city of innovation. Its diverse culture and vibrant history make it a hub of intriguing secrets. Among these is a fact that will surprise you. LA is the birthplace of the internet. A groundbreaking feat in technology occurred within the city's bounds at UCLA in 1969. Yes, you heard it right. UCLA, located in Los Angeles, is where the first internet transmission happened back in 1969. Transitioning to our next intriguing fact. The city of Los Angeles, with its urban sprawl and towering skyscrapers, boasts a population higher than not just one or two, but a staggering 21 states within the United States. This city, pulsating with life and energy, is the proud home to over 4 million people. The diverse populace consists of individuals from every conceivable background, bringing with them a rich variety of cultures, multifaceted languages, and countless dreams and aspirations. This vibrant mix is what makes Los Angeles more than just a city. It's a unique social tapestry where dreams are born and nurtured. It's a melting pot of cultures, languages, and dreams. Thirdly, Los Angeles International Airport, popularly known as LAX, is frequently recognized as the second busiest airport in all of the United States, and impressively the fourth busiest on a global scale. This bustling hub of travel, culture, and commerce mirrors the ceaseless rhythm and flow of life that is uniquely Los Angeles. Considered a city within a city, this sprawling transport complex encompasses an expanse that figuratively blurs the line between an airport and a metropolis. Every moment of every day, flights depart and arrive, connecting diverse cultures and landscapes from all corners of the world. Inside its terminals, a never-ending chorus of voices chatter in a multitude of languages, echoing the multicultural fabric of LA. The airport buzzes with energy even in the late hours, mirroring its home city's famous reputation for an inexhaustible nightlife. Every corner, every terminal, every runway is alive with activity, speaking volumes about the metropolis it serves. In essence, just like the vibrant city of Los Angeles, LAX never rests. It's an entity that never sleeps, much like Los Angeles itself. For the fourth fact, let's talk about oil. This incredible energy source, both loved and loathed for its impact on our world, has quite a fascinating story to tell. Deep beneath the bustling city of Los Angeles, a cache of black gold, so to say, lies hidden. In fact, the city we see today, known for its star-studded streets and sun-soaked beaches, is home to the third largest oil field in the United States. Isn't that awe-inspiring? Whenever one thinks of LA, the clearest images that come to mind are of Hollywood, the Walk of Fame, and the Universal Studios. But who would have imagined that beneath this glitzy surface, there lies a completely different story? It's a story of a city unknown to many that is quite literally floating on a sea of oil. The city is literally floating on oil. The fifth fact pertains to the iconic Hollywood sign, an emblematic structure that has been situated in Los Angeles since 1923. Interestingly, the sign wasn't always known as Hollywood. Its original iteration was, in fact, Hollywoodland. This full name was a result of its initial purpose, which was far from being a landmark. Rather, it was conceived as an advertisement for a local housing development, a real estate venture in the heart of the city. With time, the land part was dropped, transforming the advertisement into the recognizable symbol that it is today. Thus, the Hollywood sign was born, transcending its advertising origins to become an emblem of glitz, glamour, and dreams. Now, it's a symbol of the city's most famous industry. Next, for the sixth fact. Los Angeles, the City of Angels, holds a remarkable charm within its diverse landscape. This charm is not only reflected in its picturesque beaches, vibrant nightlife, and iconic Hollywood sign, but is also deeply embedded in its rich historical landmarks. One such landmark that truly stands out is its prestigious theater district. This renowned district, officially listed on the National Register, is considered the largest historical theater district in the United States. A place steeped in history and culture, it is fondly known as the Broadway Theater District. This district takes pride in boasting 12 stunning movie palaces. Each of these architectural marvels has its unique story, intricately woven into the city's fabric. Constructed during an era of opulence between the years 1912 and 1931, they serve as timeless reminders of the city's illustrious past. The Broadway Theater District boasts 12 movie palaces built between 1912 and 1931. Fact number 7, Los Angeles has the most diverse food scene in the United States. This vibrant, sprawling city on the West Coast, a hub of cultures, traditions, and people from all over the world, seamlessly blends the ingredients of a culinary wonderland. This fusion of cultures has created an incredibly diverse food sphere that tantalizes your taste buds. Its culinary landscape includes everything from top-notch street food to gourmet offerings. Imagine savoring the sizzling marinated meat of a Korean BBQ, its smoky aroma filling the air, or the robust flavors of an authentic Mexican cuisine, bursting with fresh and tangy flavors that dance on your palate. These, among others, make up the vast culinary cosmos of Los Angeles, offering food lovers a unique experience. From indulging in the spicy treats of Thai street food to savoring the comfort of a traditional Italian pasta, each dish tells a story. Los Angeles offers a global culinary tour. For the 8th fact, Los Angeles boasts the largest urban park in the United States. A jewel in the heart of the city, Griffith Park has been a beacon of natural beauty and serenity for decades. A sprawling expanse of green, its immense size is a testament to the city's commitment to preserving nature amidst urban development. Its lush landscapes offer an escape from the bustling city life, providing a haven for wildlife and a sanctuary for people. With a variety of recreational activities available, Griffith Park is a destination for both locals and tourists alike. Covering over an impressive 4,000 acres, it dwarfs other urban parks with its sheer size. To give you a sense of its magnitude, it's 5 times the size of Central Park in New York. The 9th fact is about the weather. This fact is quite fascinating, stirring interest in the hearts of many. Los Angeles, a city known for its glamour and glitz, is also recognized for an attribute that brings a smile to everyone's face: sunshine. Well, what's so interesting about sunshine, you may ask? Well, if we zoom into the details, Los Angeles enjoys, basks, and flourishes in more than 300 days of sunshine each year. Can you imagine that? More than 300 days? That's practically every day. Every day the city wakes up to the golden rays of the sun, basking in its warmth and brightness. The sun paints the city golden, creating a euphoric atmosphere that fills the city with an intoxicating vibrancy. The residents wake up to this extravagance, embracing this gift of nature day in and day out. This constant, endless sunshine has given the city a nickname, a moniker that suits it perfectly: the City of Endless Summer. No wonder it's called the City of Endless Summer. And finally, we reach the climax, the 10th and final fact. This fact, like a cherry on top, is as unique as the city it represents. It's about the City of Angels, fondly known as Los Angeles. This city is a melting pot of diverse cultures, languages, and people. With its glimmering beaches and iconic Hollywood sign, Los Angeles has always been a symbol of dreams and ambition. Speaking of ambition, Los Angeles has a distinctive record that no other city in North America can boast of. This city exhibits an unbeatable spirit of athleticism and competition. An embodiment of this spirit is visible, as Los Angeles is the one and only city. And let me stress on this: the only city in North America to have hosted the grand and prestigious Summer Olympics. Not once, but twice. Yes, you heard it right, twice. The first time it played the host was in the year 1932, and the second time in the year 1984. Wrapping things up, Los Angeles, the heart and soul of Southern California, is the birthplace of the World Wide Web. With a population larger than 21 U.S. states, the city pulses with a vibrant, diverse energy that caters to all walks of life. Adding to its charm is LAX, the second busiest airport in the U.S., which serves as a gateway for millions of travelers each year, connecting this incredible city to the rest of the world. Furthermore, Los Angeles sits atop the 3rd largest oil field in the country, a testament to its abundant natural resources and significant role in shaping the nation's energy infrastructure. The cityscape is marked by the Hollywood sign, an iconic symbol that embodies the spirit of ambition and dreams. Los Angeles impresses with the largest historical theater district listed on the National Register, a cultural hub that celebrates artistic expression and creativity. It offers a diverse food scene, that encompasses a mix of traditional and contemporary culinary delights, making it a paradise for food lovers. There's also the biggest urban park in the U.S., a testament to the city's commitment to providing green spaces for its residents. The Southern California city basks in over 300 days of sunshine, giving it a warm, inviting climate year-round. Not to mention it has hosted the summer twice, underscoring its status as a dynamic sports city. Los Angeles is not just a city, it's a world in itself. A world of dreams, sunshine, and endless possibilities. When you think of Angeles, look past the glitz and allure of Hollywood. There's so much more to this captivating city.